Stay tuned. We cooking up something for ya. Once again, my name is Toy, and we have the wonderful Pallavi Immanuel. This segment is called The Student Becomes the Teacher, i.e. student. She is studying to get her PhD in mechanical engineering. Electrical engineering. And she really is a good friend of mine and my family. But sometimes I forget all of you guys. Chemical engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, all of those different forms of engineering. Stewardship engineering, I don't know.
There is no stewardship engineering.
Analytical engineering?
Analytical engineering, yeah.
See, there's all kinds of engineering, even ones I didn't know, because I just made that up and it's a real thing. How about that? Anyway, she is going to explain to us what we are making today. I will tell you that the reason why we're making this dish today is because she's made it for me twice now. And both times I decided that out of all the Indian dishes that I have ever had, this is definitely my favorite. Yeah!
So, what are we making, Toy, today?
We are making my favorite goat curry.
Non-spicy. On bold letters.
Non-spicy.
Starting off, we are making goat curry. That recipe is somehow like not mine own, but this is how I like to make it. So it is in 2 steps. First we do the goat, marinate the goat, basically cook the goat, and the second part is when we make the sauce. So everything is on the table, what all we need for this dish to make. So we have our goat, depending on how many people you're feeding, you can have, more goat or less goat. And then we have, this is coriander, turmeric, and cumin. This is like all basic ingredients that we have in all Indian food. So if you love Indian food and you don't know what it is made of, probably one of these things you see on here. We also gonna be using some onions, some tomato, cilantro for dressing. We love cilantro. We put cilantro in everything we eat. And we can't forget ginger garlic paste. That's one of the most ingredient that we put in our food back home. We put ginger garlic for most of our curries, to say about it. Awesome. And the last one, do not forget, you need a mutton masala, or at least I'm not gonna be making my own masala, so I just bought store-bought masala. But yeah, you will be using some kind of mutton masala. That's basically a goat curry masala you'll be using. Okay. But this is so easily store-bought thing that and so cheap. You can just go to any store. Usually Indian store, you'll find a ton of them, and just it's easy.
Okay, so if I want to make this, which I will now, I gotta find mutton masala, spice mix.
Doesn't matter the brand, but mutton masala is the key.
Okay, perfect. Mutton masala. Remember that.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now that we know our ingredients, what is our method, or what is the process?
Let me get the dusty old pressure cooker. Yeah, we have it. Okay. So what are we gonna do in the beginning is we're gonna put all the goat we have here in the pressure cooker, along with your 2 tablespoons of cumin, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, and then 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, some salt depending on your mutton, how much mutton you have put, and just water, and let it boil it or give whistle for I think for 4 to 5 whistle. And you can always, after it is done, you can check the mutton if it is done or no, and we will show that to you once we are actually started cooking. So yeah, and once that's ready, that's all you gotta do for your mutton part. The second is the sauce, and for that we will starting with put a pan and put some oil, and then we're gonna put some ginger garlic paste into it. We're gonna put some onion paste, some tomato paste, and lastly the mutton masala. Voila!
We had fun. We got way too silly. I had a great time. I hope you had a great time.
I did.
Before we go,
I really cannot wait to eat that.
I know. I can't wait to eat it either. I do want to say, if you want to be a part of the Student Becomes the Teacher segment on this show, there is opportunities. If you're a student in a university, like she goes to USF or UT, if you're in the Tampa area and you want to become a teacher on this show, and what I mean by that is you teach me something from your culture that you like to cook, that you do well, just hit me up, Toys Food Chronicles here on YouTube and Toys Food Chronicles on Instagram. You can hit me in my DMs. What was off camera and you didn't see is we did make some rice, so there is rice.
Yes.
You saw the photo because you clicked the thumbnail. The thumbnail had the rice in it, and it had a wonderful picture of Miss Pallavi. It had a wonderful picture of Miss Pallavi and her being the student that's becoming the teacher. Once again, Pallavi Immanuel. She is a PhD student studying to get her electrical degree, engineering degree. Electrical engineering degree. It has been a pleasure always. We are actually friends in real life, so it's well beyond this. She's a really good friend of my family and I, so this is wonderful. Once again, this channel is about bringing people together through the soul and spirit of food, and once again, we promote hospitality. So we cook and we prepare food because we have the gift of hospitality and we want to be able to give to as many people as possible. Today I'm being given to, so thank you so very kindly. That is amazing. I am so excited and so excited. Get ready.
Let's eat.
Let's eat. Okay, so
Okay.
all right, you grab yours first.
Okay.
I still gotta be a gentleman. I still gotta say ladies first. You get get some rice on there.
Get some rice. Get some garlic.
curry.
This looks so
Sauce.
good.
I'm going to get a little bit more than that. Let's see my plate. Yeah. Alrighty.
Ready, Toy?
So this is the taste test. We are ready.
Okay.
All right. Boom, boom, boom. We got a little bit of goat. I want to get some rice too on there. So I want rice and goat and a little bit of everything. Yes, I'm touching it with my hands.
Let's taste it. Oh, this is good.
You?
I like that it's not so spicy.
Mm-hmm.
And the goat is so tender. The flavor.
So good.
I encourage every one of you, you should try this meal. And leave us the comments, how do you feel it? Was it easy? Was it difficult? What happened during the process?
All right. If you enjoy this content, please hit like and subscribe. As Miss Pallavi said, leave a comment. Let us know what you think. I love you. Don't love to be loved. Love to love. We out.